What's up, online shoppers? The shirts I've ordered for my husband and my sons have arrived, and I am so excited to open them up. Now, these are the Real Essentials 3-pack. They are the men's dry fit, active, quarter zip, long sleeve, athletic performance pullovers. Say that 3 times fast. But I gotta tell you, I'm gonna show you all of them. I ordered different colors so you can see what they look like in real life. They feel really, really nice. Wow. Now, I'm gonna tell you, color saturation, these are gorgeous. I really like them. There's green and this really nice light gray and like a black heather. And then we've got navy and then the same gray and then an even lighter gray, which is also really nice. This is the same kind of dry fit material that you find in a lot of the name brand athletic shirts. And let's take a look at what they look like in real life. They have really nice construction. The seams are all smooth seams and there's no tag in the back, which is what my son loves. He doesn't like something scratching the back of his neck. So the label is just screened on, which is really nice. Now the zipper is fine zipper, quarter zip, really nice. And it's got smooth movement on it. As far as what it looks like, there is the shirt. That one is a large and it does look true to size because this one here would be for my youngest and he is a large and I do like the fit of it. Now these ones here are 90% polyester and 10% spandex and I do really like the smooth silky feel of it. This is a really nice dry fit material. As I said, much like those exclusive athletic brands. Now there are a ton of different color combinations to choose from. What's kind of cool is you can see some of them in front of you here, the light gray, the medium gray, the black heather, navy, the darker gray, and the green. Really nice quality, really, really soft. Now we've bought these Real Essentials before. We have their t-shirts and their tanks and they wash really well and they last a long time. This shirt here is one of my son's favorites to wear because you have your arms covered. It's great for those like medium temperatures. He wears these all the time to golf and these are one of his go-to golf shirts right here. It's great for athletic events, for just hanging around looking cool. They're comfortable, they're casual without being so hot, and they're also really great layering pieces. You can throw this underneath a crew neck or underneath a cardigan and they look really nice. They are thin and kind of slippery, so you're not gonna have a lot of bunching of material. I love that they come in a 3-pack. It's definitely a convenience pack for me. I get 3 nice shirts for each of my fellas and I think that's pretty wonderful. If you're looking for a really nice 3/4 zip that's not gonna break the bank and give you a ton of rich, beautiful, saturated colors to choose from, plus it comes in a 3-pack, what's wrong with that? Nothing. These ones here by Real Essentials are definitely a family favorite at my house.